Welcome to AUMcuisine. I'm Vaidya Priyanka. It's all about experiments here, where food tantalizes all your different senses, brings you alive with a passion that you never knew before. To thanks and gratitude and everything wonderful around you, not just one day of the year, but every single day, from our kitchen to yours. Good afternoon. It's time to make lunch. We have a wonderful visitor. And I'm not going to just call him a visitor, he's a guest. And he's going to make something delectable with all of this. I was really inspired when I met him, and I figured he was a very creative guy. So welcome Chef Christopher onto the show. This is Chef Christopher, and he's going to make some lovely magic stuff for us right here.
So what we're going to do today is make a garlic cream sauce and top that with beautiful sautéed Brussels sprouts. At my restaurant, Sun Cafe, we do a lot of market shopping, and we build these great relationships with farmers and get fantastic products, and that leads to better nutrient profiles and ultimately fantastic food on the plate.
Fantastic. So what are we going to do first? We have a hot pan going, so you want to get the Brussels sprouts started before you make the sauce here?
Sure.
Okay.
So we'll start with some grapeseed oil.
All right.
And a little bit of our garlic, our onions.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love using red onions because it just has much more flavor, and it's got a higher nutritive value because it has quercetin in it. Why do you use red onions?
The color is fantastic, the taste, and I think it really brings something to this specific dish. As far as the background is white, so that the purple-red color really pops, and obviously nutrition is important to our restaurant and to myself as well.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay.
So we're going to let those cook for a minute.
And let's do our cream.
In the meantime, we'll get the cream started. So the first, we have young Thai coconut.
And where do you get young Thai coconut?
Well, we have a vendor that gets it from Asia. They're in the process of getting certified organic.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Which is very challenging to do nowadays. We have some organic cashews.
So about 1 cup of that?
Yeah, so you have about half a pound of the coconut and about half a cup of the cashews.
Half a cup of cashews. Okay.
We have a little bit of date paste to bring it a touch of sweetness.
Very nice. And how do you make your date paste, Chris?
Well, we get really fantastic dates from the market, from a farmer that grows in the Central Valley, and we pit the dates and just blend them up, and,
nice.
and we keep them stored. They'll hold in the refrigerator for several months.
Wonderful.
A little bit of fresh California lemon juice.
Very nice.
I actually got this from my friend's backyard. She has a beautiful tree.
Very nice.
And we'll save a little bit of that to finish the dish as well. Then we have some pink Himalayan sea salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, some cumin from Vidaya's pantry.
Oh, very nice.
Very good cumin.
I do like it. I really like it.
So then it also gets a touch of this olive oil. This is Adam's Ranch olive oil, which is a farmer that I'm quite good friends with.
Very nice.
They grow in Northern California.
Let me smell that. It just looks so exciting.
And it's a unfiltered olive oil, so it has more of the nutrients than the store-bought strained olive oils. So we're just going to let this blend up. And we add our olive oil. Touch more of our liquid.
Coming together real nice. Over here, so we have to put it into...
Time for butter.
Okay.
we'll just let the Brussels sprouts wilt a little bit.
Okay. Okay. That's just delightful. You know, I'm a big fan of Brussels sprouts. I've been always wanting to cook with them very, very often. And when I was a kid, I used to look at this thing and go like, my God, that's a miniature, very cute, miniature little cabbage.
So now our sauce is done.
Very nice.
And our Brussels sprouts are continuing to cook. We're going to season them with a little bit of the Himalayan sea salt,
okay,
a little bit of black pepper. And then once they wilt a little bit more, we'll add some of our fresh lemon juice and a touch of our vegetable stock.
Okay, what about the black garlic? What are we going to do with that?
So the black garlic is a garnish that we're going to use. And basically it brings this fantastic smoky, licorice, garlicky flavor to the dish. The beautiful pop of color. You don't see black a lot in natural food products.
What about that?
And this is some of our same sauce that we made in advance.
Okay, got it.
And then we have these beautiful dehydrated almonds. The almonds are spiced with some Mediterranean spices. So you have sumac, dried mint, aleppo pepper, and they're dehydrated at under 110 degrees, so they're still raw, and they have a fantastic crunch. And then we'll finish it off with mint. So for me, this dish really invokes a lot of memories of some close Greek family, and they use mint and lemon and garlic in everything they do, and you know, that really inspired me for this dish. Of course, it's a vegan version, so it's a little bit healthier than the other.
A lot healthier, not just a little bit. Okay, I think this has come through nicely.
So now we will plate our Brussels sprouts on this beautiful white background. I love this giant plate.
Oh, I just love it too. I just love plates which are like gigantic. Beautiful.
And a touch of the stock. And now this will help steam the Brussels sprouts a little bit more and soften them up.
Oh, they look beautiful.
A touch of lemon juice. And the acid from the lemon really gives it a pop of flavor that is very important.
Oh, it looks beautiful. I just love that vibrant green. Very pretty.
So now we'll finish plating.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Let's get this out of the way. We'll be back in just a minute.
Okay, so to finish the presentation, we have some fresh mint leaves. Mint, lemon, garlic are a really, classic Greek Mediterranean combination. You can't go into any Greek restaurant and not have that.
Oh my God, I'm in love with all three of them. They're beautiful.
Then our fermented black garlic.
So, where do you get your black garlic from?
There's several companies that are providing organic fermented black garlic in various grocery stores at the moment.
Looks beautiful. It's a really nice different variation twist on having black olives in your Greek dishes,
Absolutely. And then we have our dehydrated, spiced, crispy almonds.
And what kind of spice did you put on them?
So we have sumac, aleppo pepper, and dried mint.
Beautiful. I love sumac. Lovely flavor. Great. And then?
And that's the dish. So now we'll try it.
Absolutely. Oh my God, I'm excited. Giddy, giddy.
And the crunch that goes with the Brussels sprouts, it's so good.
Mm-hmm. I love your cream. Delightful. So we can find this on your menu?
Yes, it's on the menu at Sun Cafe right now. We're not doing this beautiful giant presentation, but it's a very similar dish. We're doing a shaved version of the Brussels sprouts on the menu right now. But I really like this whole leaf presentation. It all depends on, are you getting the really big Brussels sprouts or the small ones. So I got nice, beautiful big Brussels sprouts from the farm yesterday. So that's
absolutely wonderful. I love it. It was such a pleasure to have you on the show, and we're going to be like cooking more together.
Absolutely.
So until we meet again, this is Chef Chris and I signing off. Hope to see you soon.